study the property of seawater, so it's all about the nature. So what nature say? Nature say that it's changing. According to time, natures are changing. So human human value are changing, but not everything is changing. They are modifying it. See, modifying it means you're adding something, you're a little bit changing. I have pair of shoes. How I modify this pair of shoes? I have to go for a party. I don't have sandals. I have normal slippers or normal slipper. How I modify it? How I change it? I did not buy a new sandals or did not buy a new slipper. I just modify. How I modify with the decoration, with the according to time. I just modify it. I'm going to a party. I have to wear the sandals, but I don't have a sandals. I just modify my slippers, my old slipper or my old sandal. I just modified. The sandal is same. The sandal is same. So your value remains same. Only things you have to do little bit modification. That modification should be a positive, not a negative. So like nature also, nature modify itself. How modify itself? According to time. According to time, nature modify itself. Yes. How in some area, we see in some area the rainfall is very heavy. We have heavy rainfall. In some area we have low rainfall. So why it is? It is according to time. The nature modify itself. Nature change itself. In some area the landslide is there, so nature change. How nature change? Because of, you can see the landslide in hilly region. So nature change. We see a new plants in the nature. We didn't know earlier. We didn't heard in the Vedas, in the Puran, in the history. We didn't heard that thing that we have such such type of plant that we can use. So now we have some plants that we can use for a medicine. We can use for a homeopathy. That is modification. That is changing in nature according to time. Nature change according to time. Temperature change. In the polar region, you can see the temperature. The glaciers are melting. In the equator, the glaciers are the melting. So global warming is increasing day by day. We have to control the global warming. Why we have to control the global warming? That also include in the properties of seawater. That glaciers is ultimately including in sea. So why it is coming? Why we have so much heat on the earth? So that is changing in the earth.
Box according to the salinity of the ocean water. First one, salinity sunrise melting snow.
So it is high, medium, or low? The second B.
Can I say the second one?
Yes, please continue.
Okay. Cloudy sky, rainfall throughout the year. It is low. Third one, clear skies for the most part, perpendicular sun rays. It is high. Less
Okay.
supply of fresh water, desert area around. It is high. Low temperature, amply supply for river water. It is low. Continental location, desert around, low rainfall. It is high. Thank you.
Yes, very good.
Is low in the land locked Baltic Sea. Teacher, I'm audible?
Yes, continue.
Salinity is low in the land of Baltic Sea. Answer. Baltic Sea is located in temperature region and is a part of Northern Atlantic Ocean. Baltic Sea is a landlocked sea and hence ocean currents of Atlantic Ocean do not make change in its properties. Despite being a landlocked sea, less temperature, less evaporation and good supply of fresh water due to melting of ice caps result in the less salinity of Baltic Sea.
Okay, very good. You can mute yourself. So in Baltic Sea, we can see the low salinity. Why? Because of the 20% is covered with the salinity in the water, and it's a small and the shallow deep sea. It's a very small and the deep sea. At the time, it's covered with the ice. Most of the time, it's covered with the ice and the totally freeze in the winter. Totally freeze and the winter season always going on and it's totally freeze. So in the month of Feb, the Baltic Sea is covered with the full of ice. So
In the southern. The Red Sea is a seawater inlet of the Indian Ocean that lies between Africa and Asia. There is more salinity in the north of Red Sea because the rate of evaporation is high in this region. As a result, there is a higher salinity in the northern part of the Red Sea while lower in the southern.
okay, very good.
Of seawater decreases to a certain limit because at the depth of the seawater, sunlight can't reach so that the temperature of sea decreases to a certain limit with increasing its depth. So the bottom ones remain cool as compared to the top one. The water at the bottom has least velocity or negligible as compared to the top ones.
Very good. Yes. So what happened? Temperature when the sun rays is passing. So sun rays is reached to the certain extent in the sea. Okay, in the ocean, the sun reached to the certain extent. After that, the water body after the temperature remains same all over the ocean. After you can take after 2 meter, after 2 meter depth, the temperature is cool. Above 2 meter, the temperature is high or the sea water is hot. Below 2 meter, 200 meter, the water is cool, and above 200 meter, the water is hot because of the temperature, because of the sun rays is passing directly towards the ocean and it's reached to the ocean.
More salt pans on the western coast of India than its eastern coast. The Arabian Sea lies lying to the west and Bay of Bengal lies to the east of India. Many large peninsular rivers drain their waters in the Bay of Bengal, and on the contrary, only small seasonal coastal rivers drain in the Arabian Sea. Hence, the salinity of the eastern coast is 34%, while it is 35% in the Arabian Sea. Thus, there are more salt pans on the western coast of India than its eastern coast.
Okay, very good. You can meet your
in 25 degree to 35 degree north and south of the equator. In this zone, the rainfall is less and the supply of fresh water from river is also low. I'm sorry, teacher. Wait.
okay. Have water and then come. Okay, have water.
Earth, in an event, supply of fresh water affects the salinity of seawater. In the tropical zone, temperature is higher, rate of evaporation is also higher, and therefore the salinity is higher. Around 5 degrees north and south of the equator in the equatorial calm belt, the sky is cloudy for a long period of time, and conventional rainfall occurs every day. Large rivers like Congo and Amazon in the equatorial region meet the sea. Therefore, supply of fresh water is abundant too, but because of higher temperature, rate of evaporation is more, and therefore the sea in this area are Morse line. Box
increases up to 2000 meter depth. After 2000 meter, the temperature of sea water is uniform everywhere. It is around 4 degrees Celsius everywhere from the equatorial region to the polar areas. Temperature reduces only up to 4 degrees Celsius according to depth, and therefore the water at the greater depth does not freeze.
Ina, name the factors affecting salinity. Due to the sun's heat, evaporation happens at a faster rate. Evaporated water turns into water vapor and reduces in quantity, but amount of salt remains the same in the remaining water, and therefore the salinity of water increases. In seas where the rate of evaporation is high, then the supply of fresh water salinity is high. In seas where the supply of fresh water exceeds the rate of evaporation, salinity is low. Salinity is not affected much in seas where both the supply of fresh water and evaporation of water is low.
If temperature reduces, density of water increases, hence cold water is denser than hot water.
Okay.
If the salinity of water is high, the density of water increases.
Okay. Very good. You can mute yourself. International Day Line. What is International Day Line? So, International Day Line and International Daytime. See, we have a line that across the between the peninsular region. We make a one line between the peninsula. This passes through a peninsular ocean. Okay, before moving to International Daytime, before we understand the day line, we have to understand why it happened. What are the factors that affect? See, Earth's rotation and revolution. What is rotation and what is revolution? So rotation, when the Earth moves on its axis. When the Earth moves on its axis, and what is revolution? When the Earth moves around the sun. And rotation, in rotation is take 1 day. It's take a 24 hour, not complete 24 hour. 23 hour, 56 minutes and some seconds. Okay, 58 or 56 minutes and some seconds. And we convert it into a 24 hour. So rotation, its Earth is moving on its point. How let to, or we are moving to just swing the pen. We are moving to a pen, we are rotating the pen. And how we are rotating? We are rotating on one point. We make a point, and on that point we are rotating the pen or rotating anything on one point. So Earth is like, Earth also have a one point. At that point Earth is rotating, and that point we call axis. That point we call axis. So Earth have a axis, means point on its axis. Earth are rotating. Earth is rotating, and it's take a 24 hours, means it's complete 1 day. It's complete 1 day. So it's completing a 1 day. So in some area, while in 24 hours, in some area it get daytime, and in some part it get nighttime. It's like 12 o'clock, or maybe it's around 5 o'clock evening time, 5 p.m. So time differ. In that area, in London, we are facing evening. In India, it is morning. Earth is moving around the sun. Earth is moving, where it is moving? Around the sun. And how much time it takes to complete 5 days? It takes 365 days. And after 4 years, it takes 366 days. Means a leap year. A leap year, we get a 1 leap year. Okay. And how it's, if you see the earth, it's not in the state, it's in the tilted form. Means it's a little bit downfall. See how we draw a straight line. What I'm explaining, the earth is not in this, how we are drawing the straight line. So earth is not in a straight form. It's in the, or you can tell it's a horizontal or it's a tilted way. And it's not a round shape. It's a spherical shape. Earth is, it's not in a round shape. What we are seeing that earth is a round. No. Earth is not a round. From the pole, from north pole, south pole, it is flatter. Little flatter. So if you take, this is little flatter. Okay. Yes, spherical. What I am telling, spherical. Very good.